Okay, so hi everyone. It is 3 a.m. right now, and I'm here with
Madison,
Riley. And what do you guys have to say?
Okay, so go follow my Musical.ly account. It's _Maddie100.
And mine, it's Buckeyes 1000.
Mine's a private account. I won't accept anybody.
Okay, so let's start making our slime. We're probably gonna make fluffy slime. Who's making fluffy slime?
Me.
I
We're doing
do
this to
not
prove that
exactly
there
know.
isn't anything scary about 3 a.m.
Yeah, like
It's just an
people
hour.
Pretend like they'll pause the video and get these like weird needle things and inject like food coloring or fake blood into stuff they're opening.
There's nothing
Then
scary about
play
3 a.m.
Nothing.
Trust us.
Trust us.
Like, we're turning on the lights because if we turn it off, the camera will be pitch black.
Yeah.
And you guys can even tell it's really dark outside.
Yeah. It's pretty dark.
You can just see the stuff in the window.
I don't
and
think
stuff.
there are any stars out though because of the
Time?
the clouds. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Not exactly the fun.
Who is on shaving cream? I need it.
I'm on food coloring. I always do food coloring first. What color should
I do
do?
shaving cream like glass.
What does a green and a blue make?
Not a pretty color.
What does a green and a yellow make?
A mint or something, I think.
How do you make lavender color?
Oh, you use a little bit of... Oh, we got sparkles
A
everywhere.
little
Make
bit
it
of
mint.
blue.
Use a little bit of blue and a little bit of red.
Okay, well, I'm just
Wait, what
gonna...
does a green and a red make?
Green and red makes blue, I think.
Green and red makes blue.
I got food coloring on me.
I think I might just stick
fine.
with
Okay.
green.
Can you get napkins?
I always have food coloring.
Spit on it and...
No.
I'm gonna make mine a dark blue.
I'm scared to...
Be careful with it.
There we go. Yeah, make that green.
Oh, you're making green? Then I'll make...
I have food
Well,
coloring
you were
all
gonna
over
make
me.
green?
Yeah, I was going to make green.
You can make green too,
Oh, I'm
Maddie.
going to make purple.
No, we
Again,
should
because-
so.
Because the other,
Yours
the other purple got kinetic sand in it and it turned blue.
Yeah, we were putting kinetic sand on.
Yeah, we have a pile of it.
It's turning out so pretty.
I love this color.
I want
It's really
Lilia,
pretty.
do you hear that?
my mom.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Guys,
My,
if
well,
you
no,
She
not my
wants to
mom.
go to bed.
Whose glue's leaking?
Yours?
That's not mine.
Yes, it is.
My
Mine's
mom
right
will not go to bed unless we do, so
Yeah,
she'll be here a while.
here. It will be here a lot.
I'm sorry if you hear music.
Yeah, sorry.
She's on Snapchat a lot.
I still have like a lot of glue left.
You guys, mine's turning out like a nice light blue lavendery color. You
Mine's
can't
a dark
quite see
blue.
it. When it's done, you'll see
I
it.
have an idea, Lilia. Just so I can get a lot of my extra glue out of here, I'm gonna keep it tipped over.
I'm trying to make mine
Oh no, that's
nice,
a bad
dark,
thing.
purple.
Oh, no, Miley.
Never mind.
I learned from past experiences with slime not to
Yeah,
add too much
last
shaving cream.
Last time it was really
I
bad.
made mine lumpy and it did not turn out because I had way too much shaving cream and it was like all crazy and it would not stretch.
And then Miley and,
Lilia.
I've got
Really, I couldn't get her name out of my mouth.
Yeah, this
Okay, I'm
is the
showing
first,
my
second time.
Yeah, mine is about
Oh,
a light
don't go
blue. Gotta get a bit more red. Does
I
this
need a
look
bit more
right or
red.
should I add more red or blue?
Red and blue. It's like kind of...
I need more red.
Let me add a little bit more red in here. And then just like it.
Leave it open.
Orange, yellow. Is this supposed to be yellow or orange?
Yellow.
Not turning out yellow.
Come orange. Well, that helped nothing. What a waste of food dye.
I always like put a bunch of things in mine before. See, like the lotion.
It's turning lavender.
Wow. We use Jergens shea butter lotion, and it makes it really stretchy.
Yeah.
So if you want to add that,
I have grossness all over me.
Shout out to
Where's the
Jergens.
activator? We forgot the activator,
no.
you guys.
It's over
Yeah,
here
I
by
get it.
Miley.
Oh.
Shout out to Jergens.
Are you guys shout out to Jergens?
we're making a YouTube video, Mom.
It's hilarious.
Oh my God, Mother.
Shoot.
Go to bed.
Yeah, I'm at their house. We're not at my house.
It's really late in the morning.
It's 3 a.m.
It's your guys' bedtime.
It's
No,
3
it
No,
a.m.
it's not.
We go to bed at 3 a.m. and it's 3 a.m.
Well, you don't go to bed yet.
Jeez.
No, you're embarrassing. I don't know that lady.
Sorry if this video is long, you guys.
I don't know that
all
lady.
her
Believe
fault.
me, I don't know that
Can
lady.
you open the
You guys
activator?
know
Because I got
me,
my
I'm the
hand
coolest
in it.
mom you've ever met.
I don't know you.
Alright, can I
Mom.
seriously get a picture of all you guys smiling so I can print
Hold
it?
on,
Give
let's
us a
pause the
minute.
video.
And then we can put.
Okay, it's done. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, the food dye's coming off my hand.
Who wants
Can someone
to
get
see-
the activator?
Okay, this
What
is
are
how
you
my color
doing,
is so
child?
far, everybody.
Someone get the activator, please.
This would make
My hand's
green.
covered, and I kind of need the activator.
Why'd you start putting your hands in it now? You don't have any activator in
Oh,
there.
can you get the activator, please?
I'm getting some.
Madison, I need to add it. I need to add it.
I
Need
don't
a
know,
little
but
green
remember,
in there.
don't add too
Just
much.
a little bit.
Okay, why are you holding your spoon?
Because I want to.
I'm taking my spoon. I've learned my
You
lesson.
should
from
wait
taking
to
my
mix
spoon
it
in there.
with your hands, Lilia.
I know. I shouldn't have done it right away, but I got my hands dirty, and I thought this would help.
Slime is when you have to get
Sounds
your
like the
hands
girl
dirty.
from Gifted. Doesn't she?
She does.
Wait, what do I want to add?
When
Oh,
you
yeah.
say that, you sound like the girl from Gifted.
I don't know that.
I know.
I watched that movie, but you two disagree. Madison and Riley.
Wait, what movie?
Gifted.
Yeah, I didn't disagree.
I did.
We'll watch it later on, maybe.
It's not a bad movie.
I just love how we're talking about this on a YouTube video. I
Yeah.
keep forgetting that we're making a YouTube video.
Yeah. This may be a long video.
Hey,
since you guys
Taylor.
want- Oh, yeah, Taylor's their cat.
She's so
adorable.
P.S. Her name was not Carl. It was not Carl.
It was not Carl.
It was not Carl. Trust me, it was.
It was never
It's
Carl.
so hard. It's so hard to understand. Her name was not Carl.
If you hear meowing, it's
What happened with the sparkles?
It's not Carl.
Mom, isn't it so hard to understand that Taylor's old name was not Carl?
My slime is gray.
Wait, was Taylor do you think Taylor's a boy?
No,
Taylor's name was literally not Carl, right?
Yes.
Like her name
What's
was
the
not
name
Carl.
not? The
Yeah,
name
like
had
not in the
it.
name. It was so weird. Like,
I put in too much blue. Like, way
that's
too
why
much.
they
Maybe
changed
not.
it.
Sparkles everywhere.
That's
Oh,
because
yeah,
we did this
sorry.
project for you.
And it failed.
Well, now it's
We
working.
tried making a
Wait, do we even have any blue slime?
I have
Yeah,
blue.
we have blue.
I'm making blue. See,
slime.
look, look.
We have
Madison.
lots of blue
I have
slime.
No, we
lavender.
don't.
I'm making
Cotton
lavender.
candy slime.
It's not
Yeah.
dark
Wait, no,
blue.
I need
Annoying. No, not that much. You added way too much at once.
This might be a fail slime.
I've been making slime way longer than you. I've been making it since I was
Well,
8.
you put in too
That
much
is not
I know.
activator.
I've pretty
Guys,
much
Miley's is a
failed
fail
all my
slime.
slime.
It might
She put in
not.
too much
Yeah, look
activator.
at that thing.
Oh,
See, it's too
take,
much
take the
activator.
slime out, squeeze it over a napkin.
Okay,
then-
are you guys done with the sand? Can I put that away?
Sure.
Sure.
Are you guys done with it?
I guess.
Yeah. No, we're not slime in theirs.
No,
or
no,
sand in their
Poppy.
slime. They tried it and it was weird.
No,
Right?
it's good.
Who is
Shout out to you.
activator? Who is activator? Oh,
Right, it's right in
petting
the
it
middle.
on. Hey, you stepped over the camera.
I did? Oh, you guys are taping it?
Yes, we're all on tape.
Well, why did I say shout out to Jergens?
It's only been 8.
Who has
Dog in
this?
the background.
Doggy in the background. Dog.
Help!
Titus.
Help,
Come here,
I
Titus.
need some activator.
I think I might have
I
put.
need activator.
Oh,
I need help.
Shout out to Titus. Titus, go! You're sniffing my butt. Stop.
Come on, Titus.
That,
Go,
that
Titus.
helps.
Go,
Titus.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Titus.
Tidy. Yeah, that helped, man.
Come on.
Titus is not tidy, by the way.
Help.
He
Not
is
at all.
never tidy. Can you roll my sleeve up if your hand's clean? Thanks.
I haven't done anything with my hands. Well, you have some on your things. I can feel it.
I messed mine up.
Sorry. Okay, this is my slime so far. It
Yeah,
is
mine
a failed
is.
slime.
So far, yours is too.
Yep.
Maybe we could trade if I fix mine up a little.
Yeah. She's good at fixing slimes.
I'm good at fixing slime.
I'm good at making
Oh,
slime.
Give them
I'm good at
better.
making slime.
Who's
A little
activator?
sticky and stuff.
You're
But
good at making, you're good at fixing, I'm good at failing, you're good at making good colors.
Oh, I'm good at making slime. You should see the kinds of slimes I have.
she's kind of good at it.
I'm not really allowed to have slime in my house. If you guys have realized that by now watching my YouTube channel. No slime?
Chill! Oh my gosh.
Jeez, child.
At least I didn't collect two, Mama.
Can you
I do,
pause
Mama.
the video?
Well, you just did.
Pause the video, we're gonna finish.
Play.
Okay.
Hi everyone, so we finished the slimes and we cleaned up. This is my finished thing. for the lavender slime. Everyone, show your slime that you just made.
Just made.
We have a ton of
Just
slimes
made one?
here, so the just
Well, here's
made.
mine. It's a really pretty color. Hold
Get
on,
it out.
yeah.
and
I
play
know.
with
Where is my?
Okay,
I'm not
I
gonna
got
get
to
all of
use
it.
Look how this is a nice non-stick. Look, we have a carpet right here, and it
I wouldn't do
won't
that.
stick to the carpet. See, nothing on the. Where's your slime?
I don't
Okay,
know.
everybody got their slimes in their bag.
Madison, what's your
Okay.
secret?
Hi guys. So yeah, this
You already explained
one,
it.
this one's nice.
This one's
Show
nice.
your slime. That's
Like a
not your new one.
neon orange.
No,
but
yes, it
still.
is.
I like
'cause
this. Mine's a really pretty color, and then
Oh, this is really cute.
yeah, and the one I made before is like a teal.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the one I made earlier out.
Okay, what's
Stop
all
being
this
creepy.
stuff, ladies? What is this?
I'll be right
That's
with it.
Miley and
Let us finish this video.
They
And then
wanna.
here's this really pretty teal color. Look at this.
Get it out. You gotta play with the slime. And this is the
Well,
one
you
I
gotta show
made
it.
earlier today. These are the only slimes I've ever made, people.
Me and Madison have thousands.
This one is
I have
so
a
nice.
million.
It's pretty nice. It's not really
This one?
stretchy slime.
It's kinetic
more
sand
of a
slime.
pokey.
so is this
This
slime.
is kinetic sand slime.
I have kinetic sand.
As you can see, it's
Hey,
like
don't touch my slime.
it's kind of like butter slime.
What's
It's really stretchy.
It's butter feeling like slime.
It feels.
Oh.
See, look at that.
Yeah, I hope you
I've got
enjoyed
kinetic
this.
sand slime.
And just
It's-
remember, people, those 3 a.m. videos
These
are
are really
fake.
yeah.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed.
Bye, people.